Okay, this question called remove element. To be honest, I was really confused when I was reading the question the first time. So given an array nums and a value var, remove all instances of that value in place and retain the new length. Do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying the input array in array in place with of one extra memory. The order of element can be changed. It does not matter. You does not matter what you leave beyond the new length. So the first thing that it took me some time to realize, but how to know the new length? So the new length, let's just look at the example. So here array is 4 elements, so 3, 2, 2, 3, and you need to remove 3. So the new length is the length of the array removed after you remove the 3 from it. So remove 2 of these 3, so the new length is 2. So you need to retain this length, you need to retain this one, 2. And the second thing you need to do is you need to modify the array in place that the first 2 indexes, which represents the new length, should not have the value that they give you. So the first 2 indexes, the length of the new array, should not have 3. So here in this example, they have the values 2 on this array, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there is 3 2's. So 8 minus 3 is 5. The new length is 5, and the first 5 elements should not have 2 in them, and you should retain 5. So yeah, I think a good approach is just to start by defining an index, a pointer to the first element, the index 0, and just loop through the nums. And so for each, and I will use the index and the value. So in the callback, just give it n and I and j, sorry. And if n does not equal to val, I will just get this number. So the nums of index I will be equal to the nums to n itself, like this. And you need to increase I, and at the end just return I. So let me try to run it. I'll try to work this in this example to explain to you, but I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. So I think I already put this here. So yeah, this is the same, this example here, the second example. And if you want to trace it, so as you can see, the first element is 0, and it does not equal to val. So what we will do in this code, 0 will be replaced with 0 itself, since j and I is equal together, is equal to the same thing. I think I access the j element, but it's the same thing. So this is the solution I submitted. And okay, so the second element is 1, does not equal to val, so we will swap it. And since these two values are the same, the n points to the same value that the index of I points to it, so 1 will be replaced by 1. Now we reach 2, which does not equal to value, so we will skip it. Now skip these 2's as well, but j will keep increasing, and I will stay at position 1, position 2, this one. So we now reach 3, so 3 does not equal to val. We will put it in the position of I, so that's why, okay, 1 second. So now we reach 3, so we will put it here. That's why you see 0, 1, 3 here. Then we reach 1. 1 does not equal to val. We will put it in the place of index of I, since we increased it, so it's here, will be here. Now we reach 4, so 4 we will put it here. It's the index of the new I, and this is the new length of the array. This is the first 5 elements. We don't care after that.